Since ancient times, man felt the need to explore and discover new worlds, to tame and conquer the unknown, so that he would go even further, higher. From the mythical era of Daedalus and Icarus, man's desire to fly followed him throughout history, until some brave pioneers dared to overcome fear, change the rules, exceed the limits, and create their own. So they achieved the impossible. But to succeed, they needed passion, knowledge, balance, perception, synchronization. These are the elements that inspired and guided us to create the new Icarus by THETA. Driven by our passion for creative innovation and our wish to provide a truly affordable yet utterly luxurious Swiss movement, we have designed and created THETA Icarus. An elegant, limited edition automatic watch that satisfies your high quality standards and fulfills your expectations. The first 300 watches will carry a unique serial number, and when the Icarus Exclusive Club reaches 500 orders, you will be able to engrave your own name or message on the back of your watch. This makes Icarus a really suitable gift, not only for yourself, but your significant other and loved ones, and for any special occasion. To ensure we use top quality materials, we chose our international partners carefully. Every watch has been individually cared for to ensure you acquire an extraordinary piece of art. In order to bring Icarus to market, we need you to back us. Join our vision, make it your own, and share it with people you care for. Thank you for your support. Thank you for being a basic part of THETA.